Yo guys, I've discovered something really interesting. Crash 50, Crash 50, Boom 50, they are the best. They are the new stuff right now. Do you know why they are the new stuff right now? It's because they spikes a lot. I think Crash 50 crash, I think it crashes like 20 times more than the Crash 1000. So that's an advantage. Let's say you're scalping with this kind of strategy, it spikes a lot. Look at that. It spikes a lot. So I've given this signal to the VIP guys, bro. If you join, whoa, keep spiking every time. If you join the free Telegram channel or even the VIP, if you're looking for a place that you can be making consistent profit, this is it. We give more signals every day. So I've given one signal already, which is the Crash 50 to the VIP guys, and I'm giving free signals as well. So check the description to join the free Telegram channel to chat me off for my mentorship or to take my signals, copy my signals on the free Telegram channel. Now, back to our video. Now, Crash 50 crashes a lot. Let me check Crash um Boom 50 as well. I decided to add all these assets on deriv and see what they are doing because of the new strategy I'm working on. Because of I really want to change some stuff. So I think maybe this one crashes as well. I think so. I think so. I think it does crash as well. Yeah. So, well, I've not traded this one before. Even the Crash 50, just started trading the Crash 50 and it's amazing. It crashes a lot. All right, you can see our TP1 here from our entry and our TP2 down here. So you have a long way to go, which I'm setting it to spike. If you look at the hourly chart, you can see the hourly chart. It has given us those lows. It has given us lows. That shows that it will be spiking more. All right. So back to 1 minute time frame. Let me show you guys my reason for this trade and how you can equally do the same and make money for yourself. All right. So first of all, you need to move to the daily time frame. I love saying this, guys. You see, there are some things that you hear every day, and it doesn't make sense to you. You feel like it's it sounds boring. It doesn't make sense to you because you see this thing every day, but you don't really put it into consideration. You feel like yes, now after all, you need to move to the daily time frame to start your analysis. But the thing is, if you put it into proper consideration, what I mean by proper consideration, you you move to the daily time frame and start looking for a reason why I'm saying you should always move to the daily time frame. That's when you realize something. There are so many things I used to hear, like don't worry, keep on trading. At some point you'll figure out. Once you figure it out, it will be easy for you. When I started, I didn't understand. It was like, bro, I bet I've been trying this stuff. I've been figuring it out for how long now? There's no sign, like no improvement. But at some point I started seeing improvements and I started seeing the stuff that nobody actually told me on my own. I discovered them by myself. I discovered them by myself. So when I say move to the daily, there's a reason why I always move to the daily, and there's a reason why I tell you guys to always move to the daily. It's very important. When you move to the daily time frame, you can see we have so many candlesticks here, a lot of candlesticks here. All right, a lot of candlesticks here. And the structure is kind of a bit choppy and so many structures. So you might be looking seeing bullish structures and bearish structures. Look at this level here. If you were to trade, you'll be seeing bullish markets here. On the 1 minute time frame, this is a bullish market. You can see it's going up, right? This is a bullish market. So it will be hard for you to see the sell around this level, the sell I just gave now. But if you move to the daily time frame, my bro, this is our daily time frame. You can see it's a bearish market. It's completely a bearish market. But somebody that does not know will be looking to buy this asset. So daily gives you the bigger picture. All right. It's the boss to the lower time frame, to the hourly time frames. Right. So it gives you direction. This is what it is. All right. But then lower time frame makes the faster move, the first move before the daily. But the daily will always tell you the overall, like give you the full details of what is happening. in the market. So when you move to your daily time frame, the first thing you need to take note will be what's the market direction, what's the trend in the market. You can see it's the downtrend. And when you discover the downtrend, it is a downtrend. You understand that when market breaks a structure, there will be a pullback into that structure or the nearest structure before the next move to that proper direction. So market moving down here, this is the impulsive move. The downtrend here, the downtrend you're seeing, this is the actual impulsive move, right? All right, but when it's going down, it's just doing a correction. When it's going up from the down to up, it's just doing a correction, which is the pullback. So when you're pulling back, you're looking for structures like this kind of structure, like this kind of structure that you'll be selling them from. Nobody will teach you this. They'll collect you thousands of dollars. I heard you guys are paying people $3,000 to learn how to trade, something that I'm teaching for almost free. Now I'm on YouTube. Now I'm giving this thing out for free. So you can see some people will not still learn. They still feel like it makes sense to compare someone influencer $3,000, $10,000 to teach them nothing. Somebody will go and pay $10,000 just to learn indicator strategy. Somebody will pay $1,000, $2,000 just to learn indicator strategy. I don't even understand if they're using jazz on you guys. But I'm giving out almost free. But that's because it's cheap and you guys feel I don't know what I'm doing. I will not give you guys the actual knowledge. Is that what it means? So you can see now it's simple. It's simple. The market is actually going down. So we look for the level and start selling them from. Now we've seen the market is in a downtrend and then it's doing a pullback into this level. That's what I saw. And then this is my key level right there. I knew that if it does not sell here, it will sell here. So I decided to put here and put here. My idea was the initial idea was to put my SL above this line because if market comes into this level to hit in this line before hitting my SL and start dropping. But I realized that the SL is quite long, which is far from my entry. Entry here, it is here is almost 1:1 risk to reward ratio, which is not my pattern of trading. So I decided to reduce the SL to this level. But even the SL that I'm putting here, I had to you know acknowledge a particular structure on the lower time frame before putting my SL up to this level. All right. So now you can see market has gotten to this level. Now we need to move down to lower time frame to find an entry or to see the structure on the 4 hours time frame. You can see the structure here on the 4 hours time frame still tells us the same thing. We are in a downtrend, guys. We are in a downtrend. You can see that. You can see the lows is creating right there. So now um, we've seen that, right? So the next thing we have to do is move down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, we have this candlestick, this a reversal candlestick. I bet, trust me, most of those guys that you're learning from, they don't even know this. This is a reversal candlestick. They will tell you it's indecisive, what do they call it? Kind of candlestick that does not decide whether it's a bullish or bearish candlestick, right? But in most cases, it reverses market, it reverses the price, right? That's why we still you keep having the crash, right? So now, um, um, markets giving us this candlestick, we need to see the next candlestick is going down. But you can see this one went up before the rejection. This is a nice setup here. This rejection has given me a good um, sign that markets will be selling. Now, take a look at when we had this kind of candlestick, what happened? Look at this. When we had this kind of candlestick, what happened? You can see the market printed this candlestick, which is similar to this one. And what happened? The market dropped. Even around this level, hello guys, sorry, I noticed my mic went off, so I cannot really tell when or where exactly. But yeah, so when you go down to the lower time frame, you'll be looking for selling reversal candlestick like this one here. You can see this one now, market reversed here, and market reversed here. When we had a similar candlestick here, you guys see there was a reversal, and there's a reversal here. This shows that it's likely going to sell again. All right, so I had to wait for this one went up and down. I made an entry. Immediately I made an entry, there was a spike. All right, I opened this first position and there was a spike. Okay, so let's check the 30 minutes time frame. Now this 30 minutes time frame shows this rejection properly back to this point. So see, I made an entry and we're in profit. We'll be smashing our TP pretty soon, which is here. So you can see it's very simple to do this stuff. If you follow my videos every day, just subscribe to this channel, like this video if you watch it to this point. If you follow my channel, you see that I've been dropping very interesting, informative videos, educational videos. Look at that, keep spiking. We smashing our TP pretty soon. All right, so yeah guys, that is it, as simple as that. So if you want to, if you're looking for a, if you're looking for a place you can be making consistent profits every day, just check the description to click on the link and join my free Telegram channel and chat me up to join my mentorship, VIP signals, and account management. All right, so that'll be all for now. You can see we're smashing our TP pretty soon. Bye for now, guys.